Another component to the program is something called the Brain Arcade, which is where students get to take a break from the lesson, from the Explore Zone, from the Success Zone, and play a game. All of the games are math related. I'm going to show you one of my favorites. This is called Jelly Drop, and they're working with fractions or decimals. I'll click on the first one. Um, so this is supposed to be the easiest chapter. Again, it starts off easy and gets harder. So they are always growing. And the point of this is to survive. There's a little dotted bar here that they don't want their tower to get too high for. But I really love this game because they're very intimidated by fractions and decimals, and this is a really fun way for them to not be so intimidated, to kind of work with them in a game setting so it's more fun. And then they can really get a good visual of fractions here. They can see that the half bar is half of this section. They can see that the 1/4 bar is half of a half. They can see that the 1/8 is half of a fourth. It's a really good visual for them, and it's really fun for them. As well as I do a competition with them on Fridays, which they all very much enjoy. So this is one of the games. I'll show you um, another game if I can get back easily. Student software menu. So let's see. Another one I can show you is called Circles. And this one, they are pairing up numbers. It can be through addition or through multiplication. I think the first one is addition because, again, it starts off easier. But the idea here is that they are pairing numbers together to make pairs, matches, I guess you would say. So here you're making 10, you know 6 plus 4 makes 10. So that's the first match you can make. You know 5 plus 5 makes 10. And this is a really good way for them to practice their facts because a lot of my students don't know their facts. So again, it's fun and low pressure and they seem to really enjoy it. So this is the Brain Arcade. And those two games were Jelly Drop and this one is Circles.